So how do you look at the same league 5 years, 10 years down the line with the commercial value attached to it, with the partners coming?
Yeah, you defined it very well that it's grown. So it's grown. See, the medium has also grown, right? TV ka spot here, it's a digital spot also. So you can actually watch it here, you can watch it here, you can watch that whole tempo of the spot. This is one of the few leagues which started with 8 teams and went to 12 teams in 3. So that is something that is not only in cricket has it gone from that 8 to 10. But otherwise, this is the only league that's actually increased teams and stayed there. Third, there isn't a league that's actually done 10 years so far. So I think those are strong foundations for a league that's here for the next 20 years. And fourth is it's a sport for what we're doing. I think from a value and a future point of view, I think because digital medium is strong, and today, cricket you have 35,000 people watching in the stadium, here you have between 3,000, 4,000 people watching in the stadium. So the audience is there across India. So as each team gets its loyalty and its fan base, which I think is going to grow, the value is going up. But at the end of the day, the sports teams, the sports owners, the sports people are playing for the sport. Because nobody really unlocks value.
I think the key also is to create more kabaddi the year through, right? I think while the league is 2.5 months, it's very important that there's more kabaddi pathways throughout the entire year. And I think that's something a lot of us are working on to try and create a module where there's more kabaddi in the eyeballs of fans. Yeah, like your kabaddi series, yeah, exactly. You know, I think while that's been the case and got a sort of a lone warrior, you look at cricket and there's, if India or if IPL is not happening, India is touring somewhere, there's an Asia Cup happening, there's a Ranji Trophy, there's a Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. All of these fill the calendar, right? There's a TNPL, there's a Delhi Premier League. So I think when that starts to happen for Kabaddi as well, where every month there's a filled calendar for the players to continue to be in the eyeballs of fans, the sport will continue to resonate with fans as well. So very important that for the growth of the sport, to unlock true value commercially as well, I think the sport needs to continue to be in the eyeballs of fans and for sports fans alike through the year.